G'day everyone, welcome back to Steve's Place Down Under. Today we're just going to move this 4070 around into the other shed because as you can see it's got no glass in it. I need the room in this shed to work on other stuff, and it's some of these big storms we've been having are just blowing right through here, so the interior is starting to cop it. I've had a few leads on windscreens that all turned out to be negative at this stage. I lost quite a bit of money trusting someone online, which I thought was a scam to start with, but I was willing to take that risk just because they're so hard to get. Sort of no different to playing a poker machine, I suppose. You win or you lose. In this case I lost, but anyway, I have had a couple of other leads, but they haven't come through either, so I've since lost interest in it. I'm just going to go and store it away with the other upcoming projects out in that shed, and maybe one day if anything pops up glass wise I'll gain interest again. It is a complete truck apart from fuel tanks and glass. It is an 871. I've had it going once. There's a video of it running. I think it was only running on 5 cylinders. But yeah, that's here nor there. I'm not concerned about that. The main part is getting the cab to a close-up stage. I'm not spending any money on it until I can close it up and seal that cab. It's just not worth it. I may never end up with glass, and I've wasted all that time and money on it. So I've cleared room in the other shed. We're just going to get a bit of this stuff off the back of it. Some can stay there, some will go. And we'll just hook a stiff bar up to the tractor and push it round into there. Not an exciting episode, but it's what we're doing. And I thought I'd share it. As you can see, that's taken up room. I've been working on the D series quite a bit. And this one's just, it's got to go. It's just copping too much weather. shed's got to be exactly straight because you won't fit the next thing in, and it's just a bit too tight. You know, it needs to be a bit tad wider, but that's where the Kenworth goes. So I think it's going to work. Put the Louisville back in front of it, and that's it. Okay, she's at home again. I feel safer with it in here, next to the old Volvo and this other 400 Transtar. Upcoming projects, if I ever free some time up, whenever that is, they're in stock anyway. The old Volvo's complete, apart from it needs windscreens and windscreen rubbers, I think. They're flat glass, so it won't be as hard as the Transtar. I have tracked it down. It is overseas, but you can get it, so that's good. It's had a lot of the rust cut out that old Volvo, except there's a hole up in the corner there we never finished, but she's had a lot of it cut out. A couple of holes in the floor, but it's all easy going. You can see where she's been repaired here. Around the windscreen, that's just glue. It's a pretty good track right around there for the glass. It is a complete truck. We drove it in here. Since pulled it apart. We have had it out a couple of times for different events we've had in the shed, but it does run. We did drive it in here. And the 400 Transtar, that's an 871. Drove it in here also, but they're all upcoming restorations if I ever free some time up. I seem to be getting busier and busier. So what we're going to do now, put the Louisville in and the old Kenworth over there, and everything's in out of the weather again. right, everyone. It was an exciting episode, but it's something we're doing, so I thought I'd share it. Some of you enjoy it anyway, so all the good trucks are mainly inside now. There's a couple outside, but as I said, we've got to build more roofs for those, but the main ones, all the registered ones, are undercover. So thanks everyone for watching. Please click the like button, please share, please subscribe if you haven't yet, if you like what you see, and there's plenty more to come.